प्यारे बच्चों, आज मैं स्टार्ट करने जा रहा हूँ रिलेशन बिटवीन फील्ड एंड पोटेंशियल। तो इट इज रिलेशन बिटवीन फील्ड मीन्स इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एंड पोटेंशियल। तो जब मैंने ये चैप्टर स्टार्ट किया था तो मैंने आपको बताया था कि हम इस इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड को एक स्केलर फिजिकल क्वांटिटी से भी डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं और उस फिजिकल क्वांटिटी को हम क्या कहते हैं, पोटेंशियल। तो आज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड और पोटेंशियल में हम रिलेशन देखने वाले हैं। सो फॉर दिस पर्पज आई एम टेकिंग दिस इज चार्ज q, दिस इज प्लस q चार्ज and this is the x-axis and plus q charge is placed at the origin and taking a point A at distance r from the origin. So this is point A at distance r and taking another point B. So this is point B, this point is B and this distance AB is dr. And dr is a very small distance. So the potential difference at point A and at point B will be very small. So this difference is, assume this difference is dV. So potential at A, potentials at A and B are. तो क्या क्या होंगे potentials? VA equals, I am taking potential at A is V. Then what will be potential at point B? At point B, that is V minus dV. Since difference is dV, so this will V minus dV. Since potential decreases, when R increases, potential decreases. So next, suppose at point B I have placed charge Q0. And if I move this charge from B to A, if I move this charge Q0 from B to A, then this charge will apply a force and we have to done work against this electric force. So work done in moving charge Q0 from B to A. So this is very small distance, so work will be very small. So I am taking that work dW. So dW equals work equals force into distance and I can write in vector notation F dot dr. So what is A dot B? A dot B is AB cos theta. So what is the angle between F and dr? So dr is this, direction of displacement vector is this, and direction of electric force is like this. So both are opposite. So what is the angle? 180 degree, and cos 180 degree is -1. So this is minus F dr. But what is force? This force, electric force, it is Q naught times E. This is the electric force on this charge Q naught. So I am putting the value of F here. So minus sign is here, and F is Q naught E or into dr. And if I divide by Q naught, so dW over Q naught equals minus E into dr. So this is dW divided by Q equals minus E and dr. So what is this? Work done per unit charge. Is the potential difference. Work done in moving a unit positive charge from one point to another is called the difference in potentials between that two points. So this is the potential difference. So that is delta V. So delta V is minus E into dr. Or I can write this. Point this charge moves from B to A. Then potential at A minus potential at B. Potential at A minus potential at B. So this is the definition of potential difference. So V at edge V. So V at edge V, and this minus here. And what is VB? V minus dV. V minus dV equals minus E dr. Equals minus E dr. So this is V minus V cancels and this becomes plus V. So dV equals minus E dr. And I can write E equals minus dV over dr. Minus dV over dr. So this is the relation between electric field and electric potential. So this is the relation. So this negative sign indicates that in the direction of electric field potential decreases. In the direction of electric field. In the direction of electric field potential decreases. तो ये बताता है कि इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन में पोटेंशियल का वैल्यू डिक्रीज होगा. एंड व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल एंड दिस इज डिस्प्लेसमेंट. तो व्हाट इज दिस? रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ पोटेंशियल विद डिस्टेंस. सो dV over dr is the rate of change of potential. Rate of change of potential with distance. So if potential or divided by distance or rate of change of potential with distance, then this is known as potential gradient. So this is also known as potential gradient. So now I am going to this E equals minus dV over dr. So what does it mean? That negative potential gradient. So electric field in any direction in a direction is equal to the negative potential gradient in that direction. Okay. So electric field can be defined as, or electric field at any point in any direction is equal to the negative potential gradient in that direction. So this is the meaning of relation between electric field and potential. So from here I can write another unit of electric field. So what is the unit of V? Volt. And what is the unit of R? That is meter. So we have a new unit of electric field, that is volt per meter. So I am writing this unit. Unit of electric field. So what will unit from here? So unit of E equals that is volt, that is meter. So volt per meter. And in chapter 1 I have told you another unit for electric field, and that was the definition of electric field. E equals F over Q, and that was Newton per Coulomb. So these two units, the relation between these two units, 1 Newton per Coulomb equals 1 volt per meter. So this is the relation between two units of electric field. Next is importance of relation between, importance इस अभी जो रिलेशन हमने एस्टेब्लिश किया है E और B में, तो इन दोनों में जो रिलेशन है इसका क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है. तो इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ रिलेशन बिटवीन, इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ रिलेशन बिटवीन फील्ड एंड पोटेंशियल, फील्ड एंड पोटेंशियल. So what is the importance? So firstly I am writing the relation E equals minus dV over dr. So if I have a value of potential at any point due to any charge configuration, then I can tell the electric field, or I can calculate the electric field at that point. So I am taking a simple example. Suppose this is plus Q charge, and this is a point P, and this point is at a distance r from this charge Q. So what will be potential at this point? So potential at this point will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught or Q over r. So this is the value of potential. Then by using this value of potential, I can calculate the field at this point using this relation. So what will be electric field? It will be minus d over dr, and V. And what is V? It is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught and Q over r. Okay, and E equals minus this Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught is constant, so Q over 4 pi epsilon naught, and d over dr of 1 upon r, and that will be minus 1 upon r square, and minus cancels minus, and this is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught and Q over r square. और ये पोटेंशियल होगा किसी पॉइंट चार्ज से r डिस्टेंस पर. सो दिस इज द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ this relation that we can calculate the value of electric field with the help of potential at that point. Okay.